This one's got a nice color. Yes. Yes, red. Ito, ganda ng kulay niya, oh. Pila ni sila lahat tanan?
19 na lang yun.
19?
Oo.
Oh, 19 fighting roosters, fighting cocks.
Hen, may hen din.
My hen, and also a hen. Yeah. My brother's nonoy business. If you want to buy a fighting rooster and hen, you buy from my brother. Negosyo ni Manong. Hello. Ayan ang negosyo ng kuya ko. Ayan. Property ni Manong. Yung hen mo, nag-itlog na?
Wala pa.
Wala pa?
Actually, pulit pa lang pero...
Oo, paitlogon mo para pag ano yung hen mo. So, my brother Nonoy's property and business. 19 fighting roosters.
May white. Isa, may white one.
Ah, may white.
Oo.
Fighting din yan?
Oo. Albino.
Yeah, white fighting.